Hey friends, welcome to the channel. This is Sony speaker SRS ULT10 ULT1 waterproof Bluetooth portable speaker with ULT power sound. Smallest speaker from Sony. It may be small, but it produces huge impactful sound using a combination of powerful woofer, a high quality twister, and two passive radiators to enhance the bass. But to experience the true power of SR ULT10, simply press ULT button and you will hear ULT power sound difference. The bass is boosted, adding more depth and resonance to the lower frequency, while the sound pressure is increased to inject more energy and volume into the music than might be seem possible. It is stunning audio performance from such a compact device with IP67 rating. This is a waterproof, dustproof, rustproof, and even shockproof, making it a high robust speaker that can be used in wide range of locations without fear of it getting easily damaged. Speaker phone fast pair tech ULT Field 1 can be used as a speaker phone for hand-free calls. You can pair it with a matching speaker to work as a single audio system, with one speaker acting as left channel and the other as right channel. Long lasting battery and 12 hours battery time. You can keep music playing all night. And this speaker is compatible with iOS, Android, smartphone, and other device with Bluetooth. Connection is Bluetooth pairing. So we're going to take this speaker out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice about this speaker. This is the cable to charge this up. Nice. Information pack. Look at that, brilliant. With adjustable strap. If you open up this, so the power cable goes to the back. This is where you charge this up. This is 20 centimeter, 8 centimeter. This angle is 7 centimeter. See what it looks like. To set this up, so you need to find adapter to connect it to the cable and plug it on to the power. Then take this end, go at the back, plug it on, then connect it to the power. And the light is showing here, and from the buttons here, so you switch this speaker on and off from this button. And this is Bluetooth button. This button is pause and play, and also for you to receive call. The minus is for you to decrease the volume. The plus is for you to increase the volume. ULT is for you to experience ULT power sound. With this button, it enhances the bass and the frequency of this speaker. First impression, I like it. It's with a bit of black clothing with nice features. So guys, I'm going to show you how to set this up with your laptop. You need to switch this Bluetooth speaker on, and once you switch it on, then you select the Bluetooth button. You will hear pairing, and also it will show on your mobile device, but you want to connect this using the laptop, so you need to go to your laptop settings. Go to the laptop settings, then select Bluetooth and devices, switch the Bluetooth on, then select add a device, select Bluetooth. It will start to look for available Bluetooth. ULT Field 1 audio is available. Select and it's connected, then you select done. And from this, it will also show you the battery level. So the battery is currently 80%. So once you connect this device with a laptop or with your phone, you will see the battery level so that you can charge it up. But this speaker can go up to 12 hours once it's fully charged. So it's 80%. Then want to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Go to saved music,
But I'm getting so impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do like something that will blow your mind. Do you know the things you do?
So the ULT Field is on. If you switch it off, it will be in green color.
Let me take you under where nobody can see. I just wanna dance with you. Harder than the summer, so put your hands on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me,
So once you connect this speaker to your laptop, if you want to connect it to your phone, then you need to go to your phone setting and add it. But once it's connected to the phone, the laptop will be disconnected. But I want to show you from the settings from the phone here. Go to the settings, then you go to the sound. You will see sound effect. You can also custom equal. So if you select sound effect, you can switch the ULT button off from the phone as well. So you can switch it off and switch it back on. And also if you select the sound effect, it will show you it's currently, when it's in purple, it means the ULT is on. If you switch it off, it will change to green. This speaker deserves your attention. It's powerful stuff. And you also have option for you to select auto standby or the battery stamina. Change the setting that suppress power consumption. So you can do this from the app. This speaker is beautiful, deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.